In this video, we'll walk through the complete guide to managing API keys in CitedSpy, showing you how to generate new keys, role them for security, and revoke access when needed. Start by navigating to your CitedSpy dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Settings, and then select API Keys. On this page, you can manage all programmatic access to your CitedSpy data. To generate a new key, click the New API Key button. CitedSpy will instantly generate your key. Make sure to copy it immediately and store it securely to authenticate your custom integrations, apps, or scripts. If you ever need to rotate your credentials for security purposes, you can roll your API key. Click on Roll. CitedSpy will invalidate the previous key and generate a fresh one for you. Copy and save the new key to update your active integrations. If you want to permanently disable an existing key and prevent further access, simply click Revoke. And that's how you generate and manage API keys in CitedSpy. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel for more product guides and tutorials.